Okay, guys, today's our topic is mirror. Okay, when we talk about reflection, then certainly we talk about mirror because mirror reflects the light. Okay, then topic is what is a mirror? Okay, imagine a transparent glass. Okay, transparent means light goes through the glass from one side to the other side. Okay, now this is transparent. When we coat a surface with metal like Ag, means silver, nickel, okay, this is polished surface. Then it becomes a mirror. Now the glass becomes mirror. Okay, so definition is when one side of transparent glass is polished or coated with metals like silver or nickel, it becomes a mirror. Now the transparent glass is converted into a mirror. Now it reflects the light. Okay, now the next topic is types of mirror. Types of mirror. We have two types of mirror: plane mirror and second, spherical mirror. Plane mirror and spherical mirror. Now what is a plane mirror? Okay, when a plain transparent glass which have plain surface, smooth surface, both surfaces are smooth. Okay, then it is coated with metals like silver, nickel, then it becomes a plane mirror. Okay, this side is reflecting side, reflecting side or surface, and this side is polished with nickel, silver, etc., because metals are lustrous, they have shine. Okay, now it becomes a plane mirror because its surface is smooth or plane. Okay, so you can define when a plane transparent glass is coated with silver or nickel, it becomes a plane mirror. Okay, now second is spherical mirror. Just imagine a hollow glass sphere, hollow glass sphere, transparent glass sphere. Okay, just like a ball. Now we cut the glass in two parts like this. Okay, Now two parts which have curved surface, now they are separated like this. Okay, at this time they are transparent. Okay, they are not mirrors. Now we have to polish one side of the glass with silver or nickel, then they become mirror. Okay, now we polish the inner side, the suppressed side of the glass with nickel or silver like this. AG nickel polish. Okay, so the other side become reflecting side, this side. Okay, now this mirror is known as convex mirror. Okay, now we have the spoon like this. It has two surfaces. One is suppressed and the other is bulbed outside. Okay, like this. When we polish the inner side, this side, with metals, okay, so this side becomes reflecting side. Okay, so this type of mirror is known as convex mirror. Okay, now we have the other portion of the hollow glass. We polish the outer side with silver or nickel metals like this. Ag and Ni polish. Ni means nickel. Okay, then the suppressed surface becomes reflecting surface. Okay, this is spoon, the outer side, this side we polish with silver and nickel, so the suppressed side becomes this side, which is suppressed. Okay, becomes reflecting. Now this mirror is known as concave mirror. So both mirrors have curved surface. This is curved surface. Okay, this is also curved surface, so they are known spherical mirrors. So we have two types of spherical mirrors, convex mirror and concave mirror. Okay, thank you.